Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. So today I'm going to my art class and I think that I'm already late. So yeah, let's go. We will catch the tram and then we will go to the city center in the area next to the Rinek, Stari Rinek, and with the American Embassy. And this is basically the area of my apartment, and I will check later on the paper box. So many things. So now I'm in rush. I need to go to the place where I used to have my art.
It's usually made on a frame, which you can see on the left. And these are by two sisters, and they are calling themselves as across the same threads. And studio from an artist. So as you saw, there's bigger frames that are horizontally or straight, and these like one that she's using, and one where there is this wooden one in the center, let's say, and there's this text called yes. In Poznan there used to be a few. It would be a bit harder to clean it.
Who's gonna play music today?
You maybe.
I just arrived home in a Kościelna street basically, and behind me is the clock tower as you see. And then now actually I am planning to have a coffee. I'm looking for one coffee shop, and yeah, I really need to have a strong coffee after 2 hours class basically, and I feel like, oh my god. And then there are so many things that we have during the meeting, like during the class, and many discussion about arts. And it was very big raining, so I had to stop somewhere and wait for the rain. And now currently the weather is bright and sunny again, but yes, it's a bit colder now. And yeah, let's find a coffee shop just close by our apartment basically. Let's go. So we are in Kościelna street, already home, but I feel like I need to go to one coffee shop and have a coffee and chill and relax. This is the park next to my apartment, and yeah, very nice building. And next to me is the one restaurant, ice cream shop. It is a very nice park. And then in front of me is one pizza restaurant that Damian and I like to go there. And then it's called Brahma Sowach. And then we will go to that Brahma, which is mean the tunnel, and over there we will turn left, will be Park Sowacki. On the right will be another park, but we will have one coffee in the coffee shop. So we were passing that boat tunnel, and now we will walking. And this is actually so many house, and over there in front is the Park Sowach. Oh, look at this beautiful purple flowers, dandelion. On the right there are some house, nice house area. So yeah, let's go. I just wanna make one easy videos. I mean, like, not to go to a far place, because tomorrow I think that in the morning I need to go to visit Mama Tata in North Poland. So yeah, and then I also need to prepare many documents. Very nice place. I also need to prepare many documents that I have to do with the notary in the Mama's area. So, and also with invite with my Mama. So yeah, and also this afternoon it was a very big rain, So yeah, I feel like I don't want to go too far, and this also a part of my daily vlogs. I feel like I need to make a video to let my parents know in Bali what it is, because somehow you know, my parents never been to Europe, and once I asked, especially my mama, would you like to come to Europe one day? And she said, it's too far, 20 hours more to be in Poland. So she feel like she couldn't cope with the long journey. So that's why I have to make my daily vlog. So at least my mama know what I'm doing. And they feel okay with that. That in front of me is actually the Park Sawaj, but maybe later we will have a walk there in the Park Sawaj. But first of all, let's have a coffee there in one nice coffee shop over there in a Petit Paris maybe. So this is actually how it looks weekdays. Look at this mural art. It's so cute. Delicatsi Blosky mean like Italian restaurant. And yeah, this is how's the traffic situation. Let's go over there to have a coffee. Yes, there are many restaurants here. That's why I really like living in Yesice. By walking distance, you will find so many nice restaurants and place to eat and chill, and also beautiful green park. We will go there. Actually, in the coffee shop, it's called Petit Paris. That is a very close by apartment, and yeah, I know that I was here, but I will go here again. I really like the ambience here. So nice, green and surrounded by the park. So I order my hot cappuccino and cinnamon roll. And this is how the restaurant look on the left, on the right side. It's very nice building and smart channel. The dog sleeping down there. Nice. So I was there having a coffee. Now it's time to walk to the park. Actually, now we are in Park Sawaj. Like our Wuyek and Cho Chang said, To Moi Park. That's my park. Because our Wuyek and Cho Chang, they are born in the Sawaj area, and yeah, this is like their area. But yeah, now I'm living close by here. This is the place where I walk every single day. Look at this very beautiful park. Blue sky, green, nice, beautiful. Oh, look at this. I just told about you and the group of ducks here. Ah, so cute. Let's see. Very nice. Oh, love it. Oh, so lovely. And look at the group of the fish down there. Nice. Oh, and look at that sky. Blue sky, birds, ducks. Very nice. In front of me, the Port Sawaj. So on Sunday last time, we were here with the Cho Chang and Wuyek having a coffee, and I'll show you that around of the park. It's very nice, enjoyable, and this restaurant is also very nice. So that's the path to go to the park, to the lake as well. It's very beautiful lake. Oh, look at this beautiful lake. Awesome. Look at this beautiful white swan. Very nice. And the sound of the nature. Beautiful. It's so peaceful. That's beautiful playground, and yeah, this is actually it's very nice to see that how is, you know, people picnic on the grass there with the father and 3 kids, and the lady with the stroller, and a guy with a dog. So this is actually the views that I see every single day. That's why I told my husband Damian, it's a great place and a great time to start a family. Very nice. Look at the trees, green, peaceful. I really like it. It's a beautiful park, Sawaczki, and in front of me, look at this. It is a beautiful church as the background, and look at the garden with the red rose flowers, and look at the church. It looks like the White House building, right? Like in America, because it reminds me something about that. I don't know why. So let's go get closer then. Look at this beautiful rose garden. It's beautiful. Look at this beautiful white building church. Let's go inside. It is a very beautiful church inside, and this one is the view from outside building. It is a very nice. While surrounded by the sound of the bird and natures. Very nice. It is a beautiful rose garden. Very nice. Look at this beautiful statue and the path and the lake in front of me. It's beautiful, and the sound of the birds and the nature. Nice. So that's actually a day of my life. It's very enjoyable, and yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.